here. I'm Lila, and we're gonna be making some gummies. First, we're gonna put wax paper on the sheet and pour gummies on. In this video, we use all-purpose gummies. And then we're gonna coat. Well, we're not gonna coat it. We're gonna drizzle. Cheers it really good. Next, you sprinkle on top with the milk. What are you making, Lila? I'm making some gummies. So, next you want to put them in the freezer for 20 minutes, but I'm going to have mine after school. What are the gummies? It is so good.